Hi, it's Maureen Dwight again. I'm at the cottage and I'm putting on my shoes because what we're going to talk about today is how you can incorporate stairs into your fitness plan. Now, starting to do stairs is a great way to do fitness, and it starts first of all with your shoe wear. Make sure that you've got something that's really supportive for your feet and something that isn't going to slip on the stairs. Now, a lot of people, being you have no access to equipment, you're going to start thinking about doing stairs, but perhaps you haven't done stairs since high school track training. So if that's you, you need to start a little bit slower. So if you're in a house, it's great. We've got the indoor stairs. If you're in a condo, you can go outside and do your stairs. But there is a technique to stairs, and there's a technique to stairs that will help you keep out of pain, both from the knee perspective and the back perspective. So when I start to teach people how to do stairs, it starts with putting their whole foot on the stair. So I want to get my whole foot on the stair because the pressure on the heel tells my brain that I want to use the buttock muscles. Now, for many indoor stairs, you can't get your whole foot on the step, and then what you're going to do is go find something just to train your brain that that's what you want, because once you've learned how to do this, you don't actually need to get your heel on the stair. But what I want you to pay attention to is as you transfer your weight and you push through your heels, you should feel the buttock muscles start to activate so that you're not going up the stairs just with your quadricep muscles, but you are using the buttock muscles as well. That's what's going to keep the strain off the hip. Sorry, off the knee. What's going to keep the strain off the hip and the back is not letting yourself go into a salsa hip. Now, if you watch my videos or you've seen me, you know I talk about the fact that the salsa hip, or I also call it the attitude hip, is great for the dance floor, but it is not good in everyday life. So you don't want to use a salsa hip or an attitude hip on the steps. That really irritates the back, and it irritates also the hip. So when you are doing a stair, what you want to do is you want to push through that heel, get the glutes involved, but also watch to not allow the hip to glide out sideways. And that typically is by trying to go a bit taller. So I push through the heels and I go tall. And that now I've got my glutes engaged and I've got my support, and that's what's going to make me be able to do stairs as a fitness activity. Remember, start slow. Maybe start with only a couple of flights a day so that you can see what the effect of it on your knees, hips, and backs are. And we look forward to seeing you again when this isolation's over.